welcome back to our channel. Today's class I am going to discuss about how to convert SOP into standard SOP form or canonical form. So previous video we discussed POS and SOP. So standard SOP and standard POS. If you need it, kindly refer the video. Now we move on to session. So here the problem is y equal to AB plus AC bar plus BC. So this expression comes under SOP, sum of product. So before solving the problem, first I read the steps. So what are the steps need to solve the problem? The first step, find the missing literal. So find the missing literal in the Boolean expression. Then second step, and each term with missing literal plus its complement. So it's the second step. Then third step, simplify the expression to get the standard SOP. Now I am going to solve the problem with the help of this step. The first step is find the missing literal. So in this Boolean expression is comes under three variable. So three variable, the literals are A, B, C. So first find the missing literal in the each term. So y equal to AB. So you just write the problem here. AC bar plus BC. So in this term, missing literal is C. So C is missing. So in this term, B is missing. Here, A is missing. So step 1, find the missing literal. So it's the step 1. Then step 2, and each term with missing literal plus its complement. So second step is and each term with missing literal plus complement. So y equal to AB, here missing literal is C. So C plus C bar. So missing literal plus its complement. Plus then come to the second term AC bar. Here missing literal is B. So AC bar B plus B bar. Then BC. So BC missing literal A plus its complement A bar. So second step is over. Then third step, simplify the expression to get the standard SOP. Simplify the expression to get standard SOP. So y equal to, I just AND function with this missing letter and its complement. ABC plus ABC bar. So then consider this one, ABC bar plus AB bar C bar plus here ABC plus A bar BC. So after taking AND operation with missing literal and its complement, we just verify any other redundant product term is available in this Boolean expression. So here ABC and ABC. So this product term is redundant. Then ABC bar, ABC bar. So this also redundant. So A plus A equal to A. So here ABC plus ABC equal to ABC. So this already we studied in the Boolean rules. Then ABC bar plus ABC bar equal to ABC bar. Just we replaced, instead of these two terms, we can write once ABC. So y equal to ABC plus ABC bar plus this one A B bar C bar plus A bar B C. So there is no redundant product term in this logical expression. So this is the standard SOP form. So this logic expression is called as the standard SOP form. So this is the simple way to solve the SOP form into standard SOP form. So these three steps is very important. So first step is the given Boolean expression. So find the missing literal in the given Boolean expression. The second step, and each term with missing literal and its complement. The third step, simplify the Boolean expression. You just recall all the Boolean rules and Boolean laws for simplification purpose. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.